Thanks for joining us, Dhaval. If I could request you to introduce yourself.
Okay. So myself, Dhaval Shah, I am working with Future General Insurance as an area head for Mumbai for health vertical.
Great. So, Dhaval, it has been now 4 months since we did our workshops. So, what change do you see in your mental health? Are you calmer, more at peace now than earlier?
Yeah, I am more at peace.
So, can you quantify it when you go to sleep? Do you feel any change when you are going to sleep or when you wake up? Is there any change when you wake up?
See, I can elaborate in such a way, Amit, that I don't keep now backlog of current day to next day. So if my day is not good due to XYZ situation, so I am making it a point that this day will not affect my next day. So when next day morning I am getting up with fresh energy, with fresh enthusiasm, with fresh ideas. So that if I'm waking up without any backlogs, it is definitely a better start of the day for me.
And how do you do that? How do you
So
get it?
just by getting into things which I like the most. So previously, before our workshop, before going to sleep, I was having a habit of watching any web series. So after this workshop, now before going to sleep, I get myself into reading rather than watching web series.
Very,
So I have observed that my quality of sleep is much better because of the reading habit rather than watching web series habit.
very nice. Very nice. And have you started taking out some time investing in yourself now?
Yeah. So as I told you, I have two hobbies. One is reading and one is traveling. So in weekends, I make it a point to read some good book and to travel on some weekend destinations.
Very
So
nice.
I'm trying to implement it on regular weekends.
Very nice. So you make it a point to read every day, like you
Yeah,
said.
yeah.
Okay. And how has the business planning improved? Now, do you plan your business the entire month on the first of every month?
See, I was planning my month previously also, but after this workshop, I have started implementing that planning activity with my team members also. So as a team, now we are in the sync. We are on the same line. We are on the same page. That this is planning of area head, and in sync of it, there is a planning of branch manager. There is a planning of agency manager. So all plannings are in one sync, and that is helping me achieve better results, achieving better milestones.
And does that happen for weekly planning also? Does the entire team plan on a weekend for the next week?
See, as of now, we have a weekly review in place now, which was not there previously. So now we review our numbers on weekly basis. That is also helping us in achieving better numbers for the month.
Okay. And
Because when we are reviewing things weekly, we are know that last week was not good, so this week we need to cover it up. So
very,
in that way, we are able to cover it.
and it wasn't happening earlier.
Weekly reviews were not happening earlier. Yeah,
And you started it on your own.
yeah. We have started.
Very nice. And has the agent interaction improved?
Agent interactions has improved a lot because most of the offices are open now. So that is one thing. Secondly, of course, digital interactions are happening with agents, but at the same time, we are able to meet more and more agents face to face also from last 2 months. So that is helping us in improving our numbers also.
And how is your relationship with your team members now? Do you try to understand them more as a person, like we discussed in the workshop?
Yeah. So if some agency manager or some branch manager is not able to perform, that I try to keep myself in his shoes, and I try to understand the situation from his perspective, and that his perspective helps me in improving his performance with our teamwork. So I was doing it previously also, Amit, but now I am doing it in a proper, more systematic and organized way, cautiously, that I need to do it because you must be remembering that I have shared one doubt also with you, that if some person is not performing at all, then what are we supposed to do? So you told me that you need to keep guiding him, her, mentoring her, him. That is the only solution. So with that, I can say that I was able to do at least two turnarounds in last 2 months in my team.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Because you
So
know,
this were the guys. This were the guys on whom we have discounted that they are good for nothing. But after this workshop, after this interaction, in last 2 months, they are turning to be the milestone achievers for my region.
very nice.
So that is a good turnaround story.
And you have been, because you have been spending time with them, understanding them as a person, putting your
Yeah,
in their shoes.
absolutely,
So
absolutely,
how
correct,
has it
correct, correct.
resulted in the top line change? How much has top line changed?
See, I tell you, so one person was on the verge of going into performance improvement plan. So he has improved in such a way that now he's one of the top five agency manager for my region. So from PIB he has moved into top five bracket. That is a quantum quantum wise I can define. And there was one lady uh, who was not well. She has gone through COVID, so she was not well and she wanted to quit. But we counseled her. We told her that you don't worry. If your numbers are not happening for 1 or 2 months due to this COVID situation, we will take care of you. You don't leave job because you are in the right industry at the right time. And that lady is now in my top three performer from last 2 months.
Very
So
nice.
these are the two success stories.
So how much has your total top line increased? Month on month basis, how much is your top line increasing?
It is it is increasing by 10 to 15% on monthly basis, Amit. So suppose in November I was on X number, so in December I was on 10% up, and in January we are already 10% up on December till 14th of January. So it is improving by 10 to 12% on month basis.
Very nice. Thank you. Thank you so much, Dhaval. Thanks for your time. Wishing you all the best for your future success. Thank
Thank
you.
you so much, Amit. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.